was talking. Just really feel good about this. AE2G, W4LDE W2AAT.
KB2MXV.
Still not hearing Corky hardly anything, but there is another station on frequency. Go ahead, station.
Good evening, guys. Kilo Bravo 2, Mike X-Ray Victor. I just heard you guys talking about compression. You're sounding really good, Ronald, here in Eastern Pennsylvania. You're 20 over 9 here, and your audio sounds very good. What are you using?
Yeah, it's a KB2MXV, correct?
That is correct.
Yeah, okay, this is W4LDE. I'm running FT5000, and you may be listening to Corky, W2AAT. He's down in South Carolina. I'm down near Atlanta, and Corky's just running a brand new 890, TS890 from Kenwood. Steve, I guess you're not hearing KB2MXV? Okay, just bad conditions. So we got another fellow on frequency, and that's AE2G. And he's located up near Buffalo, but he's not copying it. KB2MXV, why don't you give Corky a report? W2AAT, this is W4LDE.
Yeah, Ronald, you're the only one I'm hearing. I'm on a 7300, and I was just playing around with my mic gain and my compression. I wonder what kind of signal you're getting from me.
Real good sounding. I mean, great sounding. The audio's nice and clean.
All right, very good. Yeah, I thank you for coming back to me, and I just wanted to reach out to you because your signal was really good. I'm actually recording this for a little YouTube video, so I will send you the link from your QRZ email. I'll send you a link to this video. So I'll say 73s and I'll let you guys get back to it. Kilo Bravo 2, Mike X-Ray Victor. The name is Frank, 73s.
All right, Frank, this is W2AAT, and I'm sorry you're not here, and I'm trying it out. We just got a new rig up and running, and I'd like a report if you have a couple seconds. So go ahead. I don't think he's copying it, Corky. I'm surprised.
Yeah, I'm copying that.
Well, can you give me an audio report?
Yeah, you're 5'9". You're coming in about 10 over 9 here. Eastern Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County, about half an hour south of Wilkes-Barre, off 81.
Okay, very good, Frank. This is a brand new TS890. And my first contact on it is with my buddies. I've held off of talking to anybody until I could meet up with the schedule this evening. So I do appreciate the report, and 7300 sounds very good. A lot of guys are using those, and they're very, very nice rigs. Go ahead.
Yeah, very good. You know, I do mostly FT8, and I said I got to start doing some sideband, so I was listening to myself on a SDR radio, one of the online ones, and somewhere in Pennsylvania. I don't know if it was in Philly, and I thought I got the audio sounding halfway decent, so I'm glad you guys confirmed that. So I'll say 73s, and stay safe, guys. Stay healthy, and have a good evening. KB2MXV, thank you.
Okay, hey Frank, try FT4. FT4 too. That's a lot of fun.
I will try that. Thank you.
Actually, here on 40 and on 20. 7-3, Frank. Take care.